Hey guys, welcome to Indie Filmmakers. Today I'm going to show you a short but cool trick on how to create a cool looking scene with only one light setup, just a few props and a camera of course. First, let's change the light. For this setup we'll be using only one color spike and we'll use one of the special effects from the app. Let's break the shot down and see what exactly we used. We used one top of a wooden table. We used some clamps to hold it up on a stand. We used one bound screen for some extra reflections. This is the smoke to give the effect there is a real fire. Here we have a board with some electronics on it. Then there is a gas mask and a suit I found from another shoot. And finally a piece of pipe to round it off. It's not much of a decor, but it will do as we are going to film in a tight frame with a 35 with a 1.7 aperture. Let me show you the final result after some editing and adding effects. So there you have it, with just some very simple props and one light setup and some creative thinking, you can create something which looks pretty cool actually. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.